customers, the next stop on this service will be Redfern. Customers, please change at Redfern for Illawarra line services and services to Western Sydney. Redfern, next stop. For those customers wishing to travel to Bondi Junction this evening, due to planned track work this weekend, buses will be replacing trains between Central and Bondi Junction. Please see station staff or use one of our real-time apps to assist you with planning your weekend. Redfern, next stop. Attention customers, the next stop on this service will be Central Station. Customers, please change at Central for services via the airport, Illawarra, Western Sydney, North Shore Line services, our regional New South Wales services, and our light rail network. On behalf of our driver, myself your guard, we'd like to thank you all for travelling with Sydney Trains. Please ensure when leaving the train you have all your personal belongings with you. Central Station, next stop.